Hey guys, what's going on? Troy at Mountain Man Treasure here. I'm on the road, but we're still giving you a video.
Mountain Man Treasures.
Welcome into the channel, guys. My name is Troy. I'm a reseller in Montana. I go to garage sales and thrift stores and estate sales. I go places where I think I can buy something at one price, bring it home, list it online, and sell it for a profit. I'm actually on the road right now. You can see the lovely backdrop we've got here in the hotel room, visiting some family, and I hit some garage sales today. But I did, before we left town, shoot really quickly the stuff that we packed up and dropped off at the post office before we hit the highway. And so I want to show you what sold, and then we're going to talk about, the more glitches. They're still happening. First, let's take a look at what I sold. Getting a jump start on the Friday shipping, so we'll show you what it is before we put it in boxes and bags. First, we got these short shorts. You guys know I like selling the booty shorts. $11.99 free shipping for these. You can usually get these at garage sales for real cheap, and very often it sells in the neighborhood of $10 to $15. Some of them plus shipping, but it's just it's a really easy thing, sort of like hats or DVDs, that sort of thing. It stores really easy, very quick to photograph and list, and get you a few bucks when they sell. So easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
Like the plush. This is the Scare Pig from Monsters Inc., Monsters University. You can see there it's got the Disney tag, and this is a nice little pickup. I got this at Goodwill a while back. It took a while to sell, but 99 cents into $15.99 plus shipping. That's a good flip. This guy I got just this last weekend. It's Charmander, and it's a Build-A-Bear. Now, unfortunately, somebody cut off his tag, and he's not the talking version. Some of them have the little talky thing inside there, and he doesn't have that. But I accepted an offer of $11 plus shipping on that guy. This I just listed today, actually, and not a big seller, but still $4.99 plus shipping for the North Avenue Irregulars. Old Disney comedy caper, still new and sealed. We got this to a viewer, Simon and Garfunkel, old friends live on stage. $6.49 plus shipping to Jessica. Said she loves the videos and appreciates the content. So Jessica, thank you so much. I think you'll enjoy that DVD. And then the big winner right here, these old stocking kits, guys. It's ridiculous. They sell for great money. Dimensions is the brand. This thing is still new and sealed. There's what it looks like on the back. That's all the thread and the pattern and whatnot too. So a stocking, and this is a vintage piece. Let's see if it has a year. 1995 Dimensions. Snowflake Dreams Angel. Guys, this thing, I paid a couple bucks for it at a garage sale. And it was this summer, so it took a month, 2 months, something like that, and turned those few dollars into $77.35 plus shipping. Don't look past these when you go to estate sales, garage sales. I don't pick up the used ones just because there's no way for me to really know if all of it is there. And so I don't fiddle with the ones that are used. But if they're still sealed, pick them up. Some of them are fantastic sellers. And a couple more going out on Friday. Gonna beat the weekend. We've got, for PlayStation 2, Spider-Man, such a good selling title. This one, $9.98 plus shipping. And yes, it's plus shipping. eBay's app is glitching. They're showing free shipping on a lot of stuff. But if you look at the money coming in, and even in the different parts of the app, it'll show you correctly, if you set it up that way, that the buyer paid shipping. Of course, eBay, no end to the glitching. We've got this guy for $12. This is from Ben 10. It's Ben Mummy. Ben 10 action figures sell well for me, if a little bit slow, but this is all profit. So $12 plus shipping. That an offer that I sent out. This also got an offer in, and I countered back. Met us in the middle there. This is Cadillacs and Dinosaurs on Sega CD. It's got the original case. I mean, we got the back art. We just don't have the manual and front art, unfortunately, but Cadillacs and Dinosaurs going out for $34 plus shipping. Mickey Mouse We sold one of these here just a little bit ago. It's the old head cover. It's officially a Disneyland, Disney World head cover. And I picked up a box of 5 of these for $7. The last one that we sold, of course, paid for the whole thing. It went to Taiwan, and that one was a Pluto head cover. We've got different characters. This one, Mickey. Mickey is heading on up to Canada, $15.99. I think an offer that I sent out on that as well. Maybe $15.99 up to Canada. And then an offer that came in that I accepted. Lots of offering right now. I think this is the back hit. We got Chicks, Harley Davidson. This is from Albuquerque, New Mexico. This is vintage single stitch Harley tee. Picking up the dirt and dust from my table here. You can see here it's on the Harley tag, size large, and there it is right there, single stitch. I thought this would do a little bit better. I've had it up for a while, around $50, and that it probably just overshot the market. And so I got an offer of $30, and I thought, yeah, why not? Let's take that and let's move it out of the inventory. So $30 plus shipping on Harley. A pretty solid little pile going out, and actually, what's been coming in today, this weekend, we've got some really good sales that we're going to talk about on Monday. You won't want to miss that one. It's going to be a good one. There's some BOLO items in there. There's some high dollar items in there you're going to want to watch on Monday. We're going to have a great video when I have a chance to put it together, and maybe later in the day, we'll see. eBay is still having some problems, and there's a couple right now. One, we mentioned it here on the channel before, but the label thing. I'm still having problems printing out my labels. I've had to print out maybe 40-50% of my labels have been printed through pirate ship for the last week or so. I'm really having issues. Very often the issues come up with media mail. I've had a lot of issues with that, and I've had a lot of issues with first class. Both of those, it's just, and it's not all the time. There doesn't seem to be a rhyme or reason other than, so far for me, priority seems to be okay. But the lighter weight and the medium mail, it won't print the label. You go in through the eBay system, and there's the option to print. That button isn't active. It won't print a label. It won't generate one. I don't know why. And so then you got to go over to pirate ship and you generate a label that way. But it's also actually happened for me on international. I don't get it. I'm going to reach out to eBay on Monday, and we'll go through eBay for Business on Facebook. We'll see if they're able to. Hey, Mountain Mama's walking through. We'll see if they're able to help me at all. I'm guessing not, because I'm not the only one having the problem. Lots of people are having the issue, and it just seems like they say, "Yeah, we know, we're working on it." But it's super frustrating. It's easy enough to go through pirate ship and print those other labels, but especially if you sell something through eBay's international standard program and then you can't actually ship it with eBay's standard international program, it's an issue. I can ship it through pirate ship directly internationally through the pirate ship program, but then I lose the eBay protections, and that's the one thing that bothers me. And it also takes a little bit longer to do it through pirate ship, through other labels. There's more button clicks, and when you're printing multiple labels, it's frustrating. The other thing that's happening right now, I mentioned it there while we were looking at what's sold. You probably saw it on some of those screen shares of the actual sold listing, is when you look on the app right now, it is telling you that it's free shipping. It seems like pretty much on everything. It's saying, you paid this much, buyer gets it for free. They didn't. I mean, you set it up right, and the buyer actually paid. If you look at the money actually coming in, the buyer paid the shipping like they were supposed to. It's just not showing up correctly on the eBay app. Now, it does seem where on the listings that's happening with, it'll say a specific dollar amount, for a 1 pound media mail item. It'll say free for the buyer, you paid $3.49. If it has the specific dollar amount, that seems to be those listings where it goofed up, where the buyer actually paid and it's telling you that it was free. I don't get why it's doing that, but you're not getting shorted the shipping. The buyer is actually paying the shipping. It's just not showing up correctly in the app. So frustrating, yes. but there is actually no impact to you, to your business. So if eBay's glitching, who knew that that would be a possibility? They must be fixing something else that doesn't need fixing, thus creating glitches. I don't know. But I got to get going, guys. I've got a whole bunch of garage sale stuff that came in today that I've got to work at sort of organizing so we can actually get it back in the car and get it home. We made some cool stops. We'll have some good videos of these garage sales coming up. But I appreciate you hanging out with me for this short one, and see you next time.